show can begin, I need all of you to do something for me, alright? First of all, always remember to please have your masks on at all times. Please do refrain from eating or drinking throughout the show. Okay, now secondly, as this is a bird show, in certain segments we will be having birds flying low above your heads. So for your safety and for the safety of our birds, please always do remain seated and have your hands down at all times. Can you all do that for me? Is that okay? Alright, very good. So with that, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, why don't you just sit back and relax because it's showtime. Thank you. Welcome to the High Flyer Show. Thank you. Now my name is Jurong, and this morning we are going to take all of you on a flight and journey through the wonderful and colorful world of birds. So we hope that you will leave the show feeling amazed by our bird conservation champions and be inspired to help us take actions for all of our feathered friends across the world. Now speaking of feathered friends, look right behind me, we have a chicken. Right, now to be more exact, that is a bantam rooster. Now quick show of hands. How many of you believe that chickens cannot fly? Raise your hands. Ah, okay, got a number of you. Alright, who here then believes that chickens can fly? Raise your hands. I see. Alright, now in a very short while, we are going to find out. So if you're ready, keep your eyes at that hut. Let's welcome Chucky, our bantam rooster. Well, Chucky, there he is. Hello there, Chucky. Would you like to join me on stage? Listen. Taking some time, contemplating. Yes, Chucky, I'm on stage waiting for you. Are you ready? Now, by the way, bantam chickens are a smaller species of chickens that can be found around the world. Let's give Chucky some time with his calculating the distance, the angle. Chucky, are you ready? I'm waiting for you. Just standing there loving the attention. What a diva, this bird. Would you like to join me on stage? Yes? Alright. A little bit more, come on. You know what I think he needs? He needs a louder round of applause. Here he comes, just a little bit more. And take off! There we go! Let's give Chucky a big hand. Well done. Right, Chucky, you've done an amazing job. Right, why not slide back home and I'll see you later, right? And by the way, these are not chickens, these are miners. Right here to steal Chucky's food. Alright, now speaking of flying, one of the world's most beautiful and colorful high flyers are parrots. Now in the wild, macaws fly together in large flocks in search for food and will congregate on trees just like these to feast on fruits and nuts. But before this, everyone, please quickly take a seat and keep your hands down at all times. Right, without further ado, look right up there and let's welcome the birds. Let's start. Here comes Gaia, our high-sea macaw. Look right up there again. Let's welcome Adrian, our scarlet macaw. Beautiful fly. Now parrots like these, they can be found in the jungles of South America. So going back to Gaia, the one in blue, Gaia is a high-sea macaw, one of the largest in the parrot family. And it's also one of the 4 rare blue macaw species that can be found around the world. So if you'd like to check out more parrot species, please do head on down to the Parrot Paradise. Well, let me tell you what happens after eating. After eating, parrots will fly to rocky surfaces just like these. And what they do is to pick up on chalk or clay. And this helps them with the digestion of any unripe fruits or nuts that they have eaten. It looks like both birds must be right up there, but not to worry, this will definitely be their last stop.
Hey Joe!
Hello Sabrina, who's there with you?
Hi, now everyone, let's meet Ipi, our scarlet macaw. So Ipi here is Jurong Bird Park's go-green for wildlife ambassador. Now did you know, Joe? Whenever Ipi sees litters lying around, we tend to pick them up and throw them into the respective bins.
Oh, Ipi knows how to bin litters. Okay, let's test him out then. I'm going to be using 2 types of recyclable materials. I have paper, metal, and plastic.
Okay, so to prove this to all of you, we need recycling bins, right? So I've got 3 kinds of recycling bins right here. So one is for paper, the center one is for metal, the last one right here will be for plastic items.
Alright, Ipi, why don't you show it to us? How do you recycle?
Okay, you ready? Take it away.
Paper carton, Ipi steps on the pedal, and he puts it in! Wow, good job!
Okay, so 2 more trash.
That's okay, and straight into the metal bin! Wow!
Great job! Okay, last one.
But it should be a piece of cake. Plastic bottle, plastic bin, and Ipi puts it in! Just a little bit more, a little higher. I think the bin's too high, Sabrina. You cannot reach.
Oh no, so let's see. Oh, Joe, look. Now Ipi's got his own cute little stool. Let's see if we can use this stool.
Oh, okay. Ipi, you know how to use a spoon? Let's see. Wow, places it nicely right in front. Okay, I'm pretty sure you can recycle the plastic bottle now, right? So you can take it away.
Look at that. He steps onto the stool and he recycles. Well done, Ipi. Now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, plastic waste has invaded our lives to the extent it has killed over 1 billion birds and animals every single year. In fact, plastic waste found in animal habitats can harm wildlife when they consume them or even get entangled in them. Now for these reasons, they are known as the deadliest monsters.
Now that's right, plastic waste indeed are the deadliest monsters, but you know what? We can all do our part, right? Ipi here, he has set a very good example for all of us. I'm pretty sure if a bird can learn how to recycle, we all can do so as well, right? So please let us all learn to be our leaders, right? To help save wildlife and fight the deadliest monsters together. And with that, let's give it up for Ipi and Sabrina. Now before the next segment continues, I really need all of you to take a seat and keep your hands down at all times. And of course, remember, please do have your mask on at all times as well. Right now, the next 2 birds coming out, they are often mistaken as hornbills because of the size of their beaks, but in fact, they are not. So what exactly are they? Let's find out. Keep your eyes right back there. Let's welcome our beautiful Toko toucans. Hello, good afternoon. Now we are going to have two of them joining us this morning. Now Toko toucans are the largest in the toucan family, easily recognizable by their bright and orange bills. Now despite the size of their beaks, they have been known to remain agile in flight and can even catch insects in mid-flight, and we are going to demonstrate just that. Right, so this is Mrs. Axel. Let's have her be up here, and not to worry, let's have her catch a piece of bread. Alright? Display how maneuverable she can be. So everyone watch. Turn around this way. On the count of 3. 1, 2, and 3. And excuse me. Let's try this one more time. Okay, break is here, you got it? Ready, and 1, 2, and excuse me, you have to fly to catch it. Great, you know that? You know what? Let's have Mr. Axel show her how to do it instead. Alright, so Mr. Axel, once you're ready, you can join me on the stump right here, and we shall show Mrs. Axel how to do it instead, alright? Let's give them some time. Mr. Axel, you can join me over here. This way. Okay, you stay here. You can have your husband join us on the stump first, alright? Come. Okay, now Mr. Axel shall catch great first. Fingers crossed. Let's see if he can show Mrs. Axel how to do it. Alright? Okay, ready? 1, 2, and off he goes. Perfect catch! Good job, Mr. Axel! Yes, very clean even. Okay, you saw how it's done. It's your turn to do it, alright? Ready? 1, 2, and 3. And off she goes! Very good attempt. Let's give it up all Toko toucans. You might not get it again. Now, you know what? We have been very fortunate to be able to see these beautiful birds right up close, because their population numbers in the wild are actually declining due to poaching and deforestation. So if you can, please do help to support your local conservation efforts. Every time we come down here to the park, we're actually contributing to our wildlife conservation fund. So all of you are helping to protect precious animals all around the world. And by the way, that was Mr. Axel, and this is Mrs. Axel, a lovely husband and wife team. I think they've done a wonderful job. It's time for them to take that home. Alright, home is all the way back to where you came from. Your husband's waiting for you. Up you go. And our Toko toucans, everyone. Fascinating things about parrots is actually their ability to copy sounds. And what they do is called mimicry, and they do this in the wild as a form of social communication. So what we have right here this morning, this is a yellow-necked Amazon parrot, and they are famous for their ability to copy sound. So everyone get your video cameras ready. This is going to be interesting. Let's start off with something simple. Can you say hello? Ah, you're that nice and say hello. Okay, he has a name, so he is going to introduce himself. Alright, would you like to tell everyone here what's your name?
Amigo!
Oh, Amigo is his name. Now, Amigo, I see that there's a lot of people out here today. So how would you like to greet all these nice people?
How are you?
You heard that? Amigo's asking how are you, so if you're happy to be here, have a loud round of applause. Very nice. Amigo, everyone's happy to see you here today. Did you know he is a very intelligent bird? He can actually count from 1 to 10. First in English.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh, a perfect 10! Well done, Amigo. He's going to impress you further. This time, he's going to count in another language. Let's hear Amigo count in Chinese.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
bouncing along. Well done. Okay, now he actually likes to sing. So Amigo has learned to sing 3 different songs in 3 different languages. So the first song is a local children's song which is Kerelai, which actually means a guest comes to visit. Amigo, ready? Let's sing in Mandarin. There we go, Caroline, word by word by Amigo. Amazing. Alright, now the next song is from Indonesia. It's called Rasa Saya, which means feelings of love. Are you ready? Let's sing Rasa Saya. Now the last song is in English, but before he sings, by any chance is anyone here celebrating your birthday today? Any birthdays? Raise your hands, people on this side. Anyone having a birthday? Alright, how about people from in the middle? Any birthdays today? Are you having a birthday, young man? Yes, birthday today? Alright, happy birthday to you, young man. Alright, people from this side. One more over here. Alright, happy birthday to the 2 of you. Amigo has a very special song. Amigo, you know what to do.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to the 2 of you, and thank you so much for celebrating your birthday right here at the Jurong Bird Park. Now, I think Amigo has done a wonderful job. It's time for him to hit that home, but before that, yeah, everyone, wave goodbye to Amigo. It's your turn.
Bye-bye.
He's waiting.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Let's give it up for Amigo. Yellow name them Zon Barrett. I'm pretty sure after watching Amigo perform, some of you might be tempted to get yourself a pet parrot. But let me tell you, keeping a bird like these takes lots of time and dedication. Now, some parrot species have been known to live as long as you and I. So please do think twice or even thrice before getting yourself a pet parrot. But before the next bird joins us on stage, I really need all of the help to please have your mask on at all times, remain seated, and no sudden movements. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to meet one of the most majestic animals of the bird world. Are you ready? Keep your eyes right there. Let's welcome Vicky, our great pine hornet. Good morning, Vicky. Now, hornbills in general, they can be found in 2 different continents of the world, Africa and Asia. Now, great pine hornbills like Vicky here, they can be found in Asia. So when the female hornbill wants to nest, what she will do is look for holes or cavities in trees to build a nest in. However, look right at the nest box over there. The nest box is similar to what we give the birds right here at the Jurong Bird Park. And using nest boxes just like these, they have been successfully breeding hornbill species. Let's have Vicky take flight to Mithra right up there. Right, Vicky, off she goes. Now everyone else around her, please remain seated at all times. And you can take a closer look of our magnificent Vicky right up there. And in a very short while, she will be checking her nest box out. So Vicky, whenever you are ready. And off she goes. Alright Vicky, your nest box is to the right. So hop along. Hop, hop, cute little hop. Okay, what she's doing is that she's actually inspecting the interior of the nest box, and only if she likes it, then she will hop right in. And when she goes. So when the female is inside, she will then seal the nest up using materials like soil, regurgitated food, and even her own droppings, leaving the hole big enough only for her beak to stick out. Alright, Vicky, if you like the nest box, you can seal it up now. That was fast. Wait, hold on, Vicky. Are you there? Are you still inside? There she is. Listen, everyone, look right up there comes Sade, Jurong Bird Parks and Hall Icon. Another great type hornbill. So when the female is inside, the male has the responsibility to look for food to feed the mother and the chicks. And this usually goes on for about 3 to 4 months until they are ready to leave the nest. Did you know, right here in Singapore, we have our very own local species of hornbills. They are the oriental pied hornbills. And some of you might have seen them around. So right here in the Jurong Bird Park, we have been very successful in breeding these particular species, and I've released them back into Singapore and even right here in the bird park itself. Now I really need all of you to please remain seated, and here comes Sunny. Beautiful flight. Now hornbills, they have one of the most interesting features. They have long, beautiful eyelashes. So do check them out at the Hornbill and Chicken exhibit. Now Sunny here has done a wonderful job. It's time for him to take back home. Once you're ready, home is all the way back to Shari. Let's give it up for hornbills, everyone. Then a reminder, have your mask on at all times and remain seated. Thank you. Very nice music. Now comes the time to simply enjoy the first flight. Now we are going to be volunteers, so if you are interested, please raise your hands and get the attention of our trainers. Now on this side we have Yong Yi, in the middle we have Sheena, and right on the end we have Mitra. So catch the attention and please listen to the instructions at all times. And look at the birds' strong wings as they fly past. This allows them to fly through long distances in the rainforest in search for. Right here, this is Vega, our southern macaw. With Lina, that will be Kaya, our blue and yellow macaw. It looks like our volunteers have been chosen, and final instructions. Everyone else around, please sit down. Do not obstruct the bird's flight path. Alright? It looks like all of our volunteers are ready, and Kaya will take off first.